This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen, and this is my first grocery haul. And I've been to 3 different stores: Walmart, Fiesta, and I did some at Aldi's. And I want the Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restored my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness. For his name's sake, yea, do I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff to comfort me. Now, I come to you all today. This is the first grocery haul that I've had since I've had my surgery. I've been out several hours, and I'm very tired, and I know DJ is tired also. So I wanted you to see. I may not give you the names of the places exactly what's in, because I just got them all lined up, but everything is here. Okay, so I'm going to start on this end. Right here, I have 3 packages of chicken wings. They're the whole chicken wings. And I think they had them on sale. So I've got like, one was $5, one was $4, and the other one was $5 also. I have a gallon of milk from Walmart. I have the chicken broth from Walmart. I also have the bread from Walmart. And I also have plates from Walmart. And I also have
bowls.
The bowls from Walmart also. And I also have paper plates from Walmart. So all this is from Walmart. I have 1 can of chili, and I have this is from Aldi's. Okay, just the Zippo bags, and okay, these also came from somewhere. I don't know exactly, but anyway, I have green onions, and I have a few tomatoes. I have sweet radishes. This came from Aldi's, and this came from Aldi's. Okay,
that's dill, kosher dill spears.
Okay. And all of this fruit came from Aldi's. The grapes came from Aldi's. And the bread came from Walmart. This came from Fiesta, because I needed that for my fish fry. And I have this.
And that's the Louisiana fish fry, y'all.
Okay. And then I have half and half.
She had the syrup.
Okay.
And she have corn tortilla chips.
Okay. All right. I have a 10-pound bag of iced potatoes also over here. And I also have, over there in front of her, there is a...
She has smoked turkey, sausage. She have the fully cooked thick cut bacon. She have white turkey lunch meat, oven roasted. She have Jenny O's turkey, ground turkey. She have 2 of those, ground chicken and ground turkey. Okay. She have mozzarella cheese.
And I also have some Ziplocs from Walmart. All of this, okay? I have a tartar sauce. I have pizza crust. Also, I have strawberries. And then there's some. Also, I have that's some beef ribs. Some beef ribs, okay? And those are from Walmart also. I have 2 packages of those. And I have a package of mozzarella cheese.
So she got the neck bone from Fiesta, and they $6.79.
Okay. And then I have the mozzarella cheese and also cream cheese. Okay.
Then of course she have her Dr. Pepper.
Okay. And then I also have there's a chicken celery soup. I have 4 cans of celery soup. I also have some this is fish, and that's the channel catfish. Okay.
Hold on, let me get it. It's the channel catfish steak. She got this from Fiesta also. How much was it?
Okay, it's $10 for the it's 3 pounds there for $10. And then I have the my vegetable chicken broth. Okay, and I got that from Walmart. And the crackers are from Walmart. Okay, this is vegetable broth. Okay, then I have cilantro. Okay, then I have what is these? Blueberries. Okay, I have lemons, and I also have limes. And there's a little case of green beans. Okay, and I have Jiffy cornbread mix. There's 2 of those, and I have like 4 cans of green beans right there. And then there's 4 packages of cornbread mix, 1 package of 1 can of what is it, peaches,
She
and
have
4 cans of Van Camp pork and beans, okay? And then there's 2 packages of my tea, peach tea, okay? So I have that. I have orange juice, and there's 2 more
chicken broth. There's 2 chicken broth.
Okay.
She had orange juice.
Okay, so orange juice, and
Then she had the
gotta sit down for
frosted flakes.
Okay, and that's cereal. And then I also have zucchinis, okay. And then I have 1 pack of this is the for my cater for my table for doing a jerky board. So, and then I also have the little red tomatoes, have carrots, and then there's some bell peppers, and I also have purple grapes, okay, and cantaloupe, and I also have the watermelon. The watermelon came from Walmart. They have them for $4.97, and I have this is the crown broccoli. So, and then I had she have a 24 case of Canada Dry, and then I have just a small thing of water for small bottles of water. That's it. And the potato chips right here also. I have the 18 pack of potato chips, okay. And so this is my haul. This is my haul that I have. The first haul that I've had since I've had surgery. And I hope you all enjoy it. So I thank you so much for viewing. And God bless you. Have a good... Okay, thank you so much for watching and viewing the video. And I hope you all would enjoy it. And y'all don't forget to come to my 2-year anniversary, which will be tomorrow. And I think she has it timed for 3 o'clock on. And I'll be on for about 2.5 to 3 hours tomorrow. So I thank you all for viewing. And may God bless. Have a wonderful night. Keep me in your prayers and you keep me in mind. So I have a blessed day tomorrow. Thank you all so much. God bless. Have a blessed day. For Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye. God bless everybody. Thank you so much.